Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G Pure. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security, go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with none, and we are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. As you can see, this is a no security screen lock. Let's go to the second no security screen lock, which is swipe. Next, let's select pin, our first security screen lock. It has to contain at least 4 digits. Tap done. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select password. Containing at least 4 characters. And in the end, we have to select pattern that has to be connected with at least 4 dots. Now when it's done, we can go to fingerprint unlock, tap setup, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the back of the phone. Simply tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now let's use it to unlock the phone. In the end, you can go to face unlock, unlock it, tap setup, and now simply scan your face in this area. Unfortunately, because of the bad lighting in this room, I can't scan my face, but basically you have to just put it in front of the front camera, scan it in the clear, visible conditions, then you can use your face to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.